empty tables, gentle laughter, lazy piano, long pause between questions, fingers drumming softly. Memory lingers in curled cigarette smoke, leaning closer, your eyes warm and open, that easy hush we always seem to find. When the night grows old, breezy chatter, slow sips, hands on cool marble, just you, just me, curtains drawn against the morning. When the night grows old, we stay, bar stools creak, shadows spinning in the rhythm. Simple phrases stretched out, you echo back a story. Quiet trumpet slipping through every word you leave unsaid. Something brighter under lamplight, laughter mingled with sighs. Familiar tunes, tapping toes, tapping underneath the table. Easy to linger, easier not to leave. Painted ceiling, lull of the late hour, old tune humming. Thin lines between last call and a question never asked. One more round, the world outside falls away. When the night grows old, coffee cooling in porcelain, smiles drifting in time. You stay, I listen, waiting for words that never fall. When the night grows old, still spinning, still sitting, savoring the same slow tune. Last note lingers, you laugh, doors waiting to grow.